Hey Dale, we are here at a great ham fest, Dayton Hamvention, one of the most packed conventions I've seen here in years. Let's check up and see what's happening at Innov Antennas. Come on. Hey, I have one of those antennas. We're with Justin, G0KSC, founder and designer of Innov Antennas. Now, Justin, where'd you get this idea to come up with a unique feed system with low noise on your antenna?
Well, Gordo, for me, I had a big noise problem at home, like a lot of people do in the middle of suburbia. So I couldn't find a design that was very low noise that was going to allow me to hear what I wanted to work. So I set about playing with design of Yagi antennas that were going to be low noise.
Wow, so you have like a null at the low end of the antenna down low?
Yeah, what we do is we optimize so that the antenna is much more like a torch beam. Try to reduce front to back, the front to rear, and also reduce the lobes underneath the Yagi so that you're not picking up noise from underneath the shack.
So Justin, how in the world do you get rid of noise below the main lobe?
Well, with the LFA Yagi, we have a rectangular loop which lays flat on the boom between the reflector and the director elements. And using this method, we can remove the matching device off of the Yagi itself, and we can optimize using computer the side lobes to reduce those in both the elevation and the azimuth plane. And this makes for a very, very quiet antenna. So we just receive signal from where we're pointing the antenna and not from unwanted locations like underneath where the shack might be located, for example.
Wow, and how long did it take you to design your first antenna? You've been doing it for some time.
Yeah, sure. Well, it was something that was done over many, many months and many builds and tests and remodels. And what I did is I produced a website. I put some of those designs on, which are still there on g0ksc.co.uk for people to self-build. And you then have a user forum that's worldwide that's saying, this is great, it would be good if it did this, and kind of honed the designs over a number of years, really.
Wow, well, Chip and I both use your 6-meter, and wow, Chip hears stuff, and I hear stuff that we could never hear before on 6, thanks to you. Any last words of wisdom to our Ham Nation viewers about your great Innov antennas, Justin?
Well, it's really worthwhile taking a look on the internet when making a choice and get some reviews. eHam is a great place for that, to look at what people have been using. Really, if you're in a place or a position where noise is a real big problem, there's a number of different places that you can look for those, and Innov Antennas is one of those. And G0KSC site, if you want to self-build, is a great place to look also.
Thank you, Justin, for bringing a great design and a great antenna over here. Thanks so much, and back to you, Dale.